My name is Daniel and I welcome you to another Weigl control card reimport tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a card reimport in case you lost your show files on Showforge. I already imported my card files here, so basically I have one audio and also one simple show file. Now let's get started into Showforge. Let's start a new project. It's quite useful if you already know which outputs you have assigned in your show, as you can assign all outputs here for your ProCommander, which was in my case a ProCommander 4, and there you can add multiple outputs. I had digital channel 1, 2, 3 and 7 connected, and 4 analog outputs as well. 1 universe, which shows up. Okay, let's map that to DMX. Now this is correct. Okay. Let's close that for now and let's start with the import of the data. Let's add the files here. I have the full card file and the entire directory. And here, this is the great thing, if you already assigned your outputs, you can map them directly now. Analog 1, analog 2, analog 3, and analog output 4 as well as 1 DMX universe. Okay, let's import the data. Since we don't want to have this one here, let's remove that show, and this one is correct. So here we have the imported audio track. There is one thing you need to assign the ProCommander. Here we get one left channel, then the right channel target output. Now I'm also going to do some little edits, as I remember analog output 3 and analog output 4 haven't been programmed yet, so I do some editing for that specific show. Once I'm satisfied with this one, I'm going to save that as my ProCommander 4 show. And then I'm going to export that one show again. So now let's create a Weigl show card. Let's auto start this one, loop that, and start after 10 seconds my show. And now let's add a new folder. Let's call it new card. Create this one, and then we select it as local deployment. Then we need also assign the ProCommander, and here, since we have AAC here in the imported file, we select also the AAC file, and then let's start with the deployment. Once the deployment is complete, we check here the new card file, and here we have the AEC file and everything is present. So this is how it's done. If you require further troubleshooting or project support, contact support@motelab.com. Thanks for watching.